This is a 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander, right-hand drive Australian version. Just showing you the location of the fuel filter and pump cover in this vehicle. It's looking in through the back door. Obviously, you had to lift up the carpet, and you can see it's rolled forward there. It's not all that difficult, it's just annoying because you obviously had to get it from underneath all the little plastic areas carefully so you don't tear it. Now that there, with the electrical lead running through it, is the fuel filter, or where the fuel filter is. Now, this top cover is held down. Now, to save you time of watching this, I'm not going to show you how to change the pump and filter itself, because that's a job I'm going to leave to a bloke who knows a lot more about it than I do. But I'm just showing you where it is, because it's actually not all that easy to find. Now, this is only held down with a bead of a rubberized silicone, and you put just a flat screwdriver in opposing corners and just prise it up. Try not to scratch the paint, and then when that's out, so I'll try and get there, that there is the white bit there, which is a bit dirty, which we're going to clean before we change anything. Is the actual bit that you change. That's actually the top of the filter. You can see a fuel line there with the green clip on it, and the electrical connector is the grey dome bit in the towards the top, and that's what you change. Now, the one thing I would do, if you do this yourself, depressurize the system first, because I've seen videos on YouTube where people go, I'm going to depressurize it, and they do that by actually just simply removing the fuel line, and I just cannot see the point of having fuel inside your car. There's one place for fuel, or two. One's the engine, the other one's the fuel tank. So don't put yourself in danger by doing something like that. The correct way to do it, according to all the information I have, is to remove the fuel pump relay from your relay or fuse box, then run the motor. The motor will stall, and then the pressure is gone, because it's somewhere around over 30 psi in the tank. So please be careful. Don't go killing yourself over changing a filter. And the other thing is, I always take off the fuel filler cap, but that doesn't depressurize in itself. So do the take the relay out. I've done it on other cars, and which were a bit simpler than this. Here's the new filter. There's quite a few bits and pieces, and so you can see that's identical. So it's not a very good picture, but that's identical there. That's where the electrical connector goes. There's the end of your fuel line. So it's an identical setup. This is, I'll show you the part number here, sorry, if that's helpful to anyone. FS-23001, that's the JS Asahi number, and it's interchangeable with Mitsubishi 1770A, sorry, my hand's shaking here, 1770A046. So hopefully you can see that if the camera will focus on it. Right, now going back to the top of the filter, what I would do, this is my son's car, so I'm not going to start chopping the carpet up, but what I would do is cut a piece out of the carpet that matches the cover, and then hold that piece down with Velcro strips, and so in the future when you have to access it, you don't have to pull all the carpet out or anything else. All you do is lift up the bit that you've got the Velcro on, and it's hidden by, it's under the back seat. You can see there's the back seat rolled forward, and so it's hidden from view. So I really can't see why they haven't actually done a little access port in the carpet to start with, apart from the fact they obviously want you to go and spend $130 an hour at a Mitsubishi dealership to get it done. But as I say, if you're not sure about it, do not touch it, because you play around with fuel and you get it wrong, you can really suffer the consequences. Alright, thank you.